Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 9th of December. And first of all, national news. Rajya Sabha chows over Uniform Civil Code Bill, moved to block it, rejected. Cyclone Madaus less intense now, 16 Chennai flights cancelled amid bad weather. India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar to headline the India Global Forum Partners for Global Impact at UAE. Bhupendra Patel to be named Gujarat Chief Minister, oath Monday. The new national educational policy can build new India that Vivekanand envisioned, Tamil Nadu Governor. IIT Kanpur hosts international conference on precision micro, meso, nano engineering. No report of starvation deaths from states, Smriti Irani told to Parliament. Supreme Court to the rescue of medical students who return from Chennai. Bihar Board announced 10th, 12th exams 2023 schedule. No plan as of now to bring all India judicial service. Government. Strong action taken against medical colleges not maintaining proper faculty. Mansukh Mandavia. Ashok Gehlot welcomed Supreme Court's view on National Food Security Act. Supreme Court ordered appointment of Nagaland Police Chief by December 19. Farmers protested at Delhi's Jantar Mantar over guarantee for crop prices. Amit Shah to meet Chief Ministers of Maharashtra, Karnataka on December 14. Draft Digital India Bill will be available for public consultation by end of December. 500% improvement in passport services under Modi government, Parliament informed. And now some international news. Students in China invented low-cost invisibility clock that hides wearers from security cameras. 2 Chinese police stations uncovered in Germany. Government critic Moscow councillor got 8.5 years jail over Ukraine criticism. Foxconn ended closed loop at iPhone factory in China. Ties with the US continue to remain in sad state. Russia after prisoner swap. US House passed defense bill worth billions in Taiwan and China bristles. UK sanctions 30 people around the world for corruption, human rights abuse. As Xi Jinping visited Saudi Arabia, Gulf nations seek stronger China ties. UK, Japan, and Italy to develop next generation fighter jet, a report said. US basketball star arrived home after prisoner swap with Russia. US to send Ukraine anti-drone air defense aid worth $275 million. US government aware of long delays in visa appointments in India, White House. And now some sports news. Will take traditional sports international, Sports Minister Anurag Thakur said. Prannoy upset world number 1 Excelsen at Badminton World Tour Finals. Women's IPL, BCCI invited bids for media rights for 5-year period. Will soon have dedicated women's department in AIFF. Shazi Prabhakaran. Indian Olympic Association elections, PT Usha to be officially elected as first woman president. Kuldeep Yadav added to India's squad for the third ODI. FIFA World Cup 2022. Pele responded to Kylian Mbappe's message, said, "I'm happy you broke my record." Now news related to business. Sensex declined as its stocks fall. Nifty ended below 18,500. Rupee rose 10 paise to close at 82.28 against US dollar. Trade deficit between India, China fall to $15.5 billion this fiscal. Centre seeks Parliament approval for net additional spending of 3.25 lakh crore this fiscal. Inflation likely soften to 9-month low in November, a report said. Bharat Pay goes the arbitration route to claw back Ashneer Grover's share. Title and news from Science and Technology. Space Agency ISRO successfully conducted joint hypersonic vehicle trials. NASA's Perseverance rover collected first dust samples on Mars. Work on world's largest radio telescope begin in Australia, South Africa. NASA's Artemis 1 Orion spacecraft to splash down on December 11. And SpaceX gave rivals internet satellites ride to orbit. Japanese billionaire Mizawa picked K-pop star top DJ Steve Aoki to join SpaceX moon trip. A binary merger just outside our Milky Way links long GRB with Kilonove. And that's all in news. Thank you.